The short answer is yes. There are still lots of service applications that you can find to download on your phone which are legit. AttaPoll is one of those applications which is not a scam and you can actually make money. Also, I hope I'll always find and recommend applications which are legit and you can actually make some money in your spare time with them. Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Flo. Welcome. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and like this video in case you are interested in passive income, different ways of mining crypto, investing in crypto, in stock market, in e-commerce, finding ways of escaping that rat race. If you're interested in this type of videos, make sure you subscribe. It's very good to know that I'm not a financial advisor and everything that I talk about, all the topics that I've got on my channel, are my personal opinions and bits that I explore. If you're interested in seeing how AttaPoll is, make sure you check the link in the description, download the app, and if you got some time in your spare time and you want to make some money, easy money, why not? Download the app, use the referral code, you get rewarded by using the referral code, and why not share it with others. As you can see in the video that I'm putting on my screen, you can see that I've managed to get to the threshold, the minimum threshold that you need in order for making a withdrawal on PayPal, and you can see that I actually managed to do that. I use PayPal because all the money that I withdraw in PayPal I want to reinvest in crypto and buy different bits in there. Also, if you don't have a PayPal account, it's probably one of the safest ways of paying, and if you use this type of applications like surveys or playing different games for earning money, PayPal is a very good secure way of withdrawing and using those money to, why not, reinvest. I also share a link of PayPal in case you want to get $10 free by joining, in case you didn't join before. It'll only work for a few of you, so make sure you check the link and join. AttaPoll is probably one of the easiest app I've ever used, and all the service that I've tried, and I didn't try too many because I don't have too much spare time, to be honest, but the service that I've tried, they work very easy, and most of them they'll give you a cent or a pence in England for just joining the survey and just trying to do it. On some of them you won't qualify because probably you're not in those niche of persons that are interested to make these surveys, but check them. The more you will do, probably the more you'll get every day, so you can probably earn quite a lot of money if you get to invest some of your time into making those and fulfilling those surveys. As I said, I use PayPal, and pretty much all the money that I get in PayPal I reinvest them in crypto. And if you want to know which are the 5 cryptos that I invest, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will share the ones which I invest and the ones that I believe in, and probably the ones which I find as being legit and probably adding value to the crypto world. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found AttaPoll as being a very interesting app. In case you did that, smash that like button as a reward. Thank you for watching, and make sure you look after yourself, make sure you look after your families. Until next time, stay safe.